So this is for installing CellProfiler on a Mac. Not quite as straightforward as on Windows, and there's a couple of extra safety things to think about. So first we head over to cellprofiler.org. There's a download button on the front here, which basically takes you to the download page. And so if we go ahead and download that one there, goes ahead, downloads that, and it'll be with us in just a moment. And so there is going to be an issue as you open it up because it's not registered with Apple in the App Store, and it will warn you about it being potentially malware, not understanding or not knowing what's in there. And so let's go to our downloads, have a look. You can run the program from here and just double click it and run it from there, just like you can with your Fiji download. But let's go ahead and just drag that over into applications, so somewhere where you want it to be. Put that in there. And if you go ahead and try and run that, it's going to try and verify and say it's not open, it could not be verified. So that's a particular message here from Mac saying it's not been verified, it's not on the App Store, and they can't cross-check it with their reference to say that it's malware free. It's not actually saying it's malware in the file. If you look down at this you can see that when malware is actually blocked, it's a different warning. It's just saying it's not registered, it can't guarantee it. Okay, so we're not going to do anything. We're just going to click done on that one there. I have Bitdefender, so why not just go ahead and scan that, double check the app, and there's lots of files inside of that app folder that actually run the program. Another way to do it is to come to the downloads page and you right click the download link that you just used. You could do this beforehand, of course. Copy link. Let's go ahead and go over to virus total and paste in the URL. And you can see its URL link. It's nice to inspect that as well. You can see straight away it's from an Amazon domain, which makes it more trustworthy. So we'll run that and it will check it against a bunch of different antivirus. It says zero concerns on that one there. Bitdefender's running, and then that will run and finish up. Okay, so no threats found there as well. So we're happy with that. Virus total scanned, it's okay. It's from an Amazon link. So it's good to double check. And so now we can come over here, and so how do we run it? It's going to pop up that window for us. So what we need to do is come into settings and open up settings and come down here to privacy and security, and an CellProfiler app was blocked to protect your Mac. So we can click on open anyway, and then we'll click on open anyway there. And it's going to ask you for the password on your system to approve that. So now we'll go ahead and double click. I've had some issues with the first run on the Mac not working. Let's try that. We see CellProfiler up the top here, and it's trying to load, and eventually it does load. I've had it before where I have to come down to the bottom bar and right click and quit or force quit on the app and try again. After that, it seems to work pretty well. And that's one of the issues that you'll see in the forums, is it can be a little quirky on opening. Okay, and so that's how we go ahead and install and open up CellProfiler on a Mac.